Hello teachers. Uh, Hindi typing is a very big problem. So uh, let's see. I'm going to show you a very easy step how to change your keyboard setting to Hindi and how to type Hindi in your console. Either be laptop, either be desktop, you can type very easily Hindi by seeing it. Okay. So and I hope this will help you a lot to type your questions. Okay, so most or what probably all the system are configured to US English, but then also you can convert or you can make your keyboard setting to Devanagari Hindi so that you can type very easily. So we need not to install any font, but we need to change the keyboard input method. For that, where to go? You can go to control panel and you can search add language. But since this is window 10, mine is window 10 here, so in window 10 it is in settings, so I am going here in all settings. I am going to see all settings. Now in this all settings, you search where is the language, right? So my language is here, so I'm going to click this language and I am going in the language bar here. This is the language of your I am clicking. So if I'm going here, you see in my system only English I can type here because I had installed only English language. My keyboard is, but the default keyboard method is what? English. Okay, I can show you here. I am starting MS Word. Here you see. So whatever I do, I will type only in English because my keyboard setting is English. You see, I am typing in English. Let me uh, see. I am typing in English. Okay, now I want that I will type from the keyboard and Hindi will come here. For that, the certain changes you have to do here. You go here, see add preferred language, right? So in this add preferred language, what to do? You have to click here. This you have to install, and this is already there in your system, right? Okay, so I am going to click here add preferred language. Now here I am going. It is giving me option to select. So I am typing here. I am typing Hindi. See, Hindi is coming. I am going to click Hindi. Next, so now Hindi language and other features of Hindi are now being installed for the keyboard method. Okay, you see, now it has given me here. It is asking me to install here. So I'm installing install the language package, text to speech, handwriting. These three things I am going to install. Okay, see, it is being downloaded and it is being installed for me. Okay, so now you see this Hindi pack is available in my system. I can change my method, keyboard input method. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here. I'm going to click this keyboard Hindi. Okay, and I'm going to make it up. So now my Hindi is a default keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this so to show it to you. As I had installed this one, you see English has appeared here. You can check it out at this corner. This corner you see English is given here. So when you have to type Hindi, what you need to do, you need to click here. Okay, and you change the method to Hindi. See, I'm clicking Hindi. Okay, then I will go and I am going to click here and I will type. See, Hindi is coming. Okay, but you means let me you can't make this one this Hindi. You can't see on the screen what the character of Hindi is there. So for that, what to do? You go here and type here on screen keyboard. Okay, see, let me have a English first. Then in English I am going here and I am writing here on. You see, on screen keyboard. You see. So here you see I am going to get here. Uh, yeah, use devices without physical. So here you see use on a screen keyboard. So I am going to make it on. Okay. So I am making this one on. So a keyboard has appeared on my screen, is it? But this keyboard, you see this keyboard is in English form. So I am going to change here the language from English to Hindi. This keyboard will change to Hindi form, right? Now you can keep the keyboard, you can see the keyboard, and here you can still type by saying it out. Okay, where is ka, where is kha, where is ga, and now you can type it. Okay, or you can directly type from this keyboard also. See, you are typing. Okay, so this is a method how to type or how to change the keyboard setting or input method to type in Hindi, and rest fluency. For that you need to practice. Okay, I hope this will help. Okay, thank you.